Hello student, welcome and very good morning to you. Today I will be discussing a DPP on distance, displacement and position vector. That is DPP 1 of motion in straight line. This video will be extremely helpful for class 11, NEET, main, advanced as well as West Bengal joint. Please comments on the video because this comment will be extremely helpful for me to make better video for you. A particle moving in a circular path of radius r, it completes one revolution in 40 seconds. Calculate the distance and displacement respectively in 2 minutes 20 seconds. Look at this. This is the circular path. Okay. This is the starting point. Now, time taken by the particle completes one revolution is 40 seconds. Now, total time is the 2 minute 20 second, that is 2 into 60 plus 20. So, look at this, this is the 140 second. 140 means 3 into 40 plus 20. So, the particle completes 3 complete revolution and 1 half revolution. So look at this, the displacement is shortest distance between initial point and final point. So this is the obviously to one, this is the displacement. Okay, and distance, look at this in 40 seconds, the displacement is 2 pi r. So in 3.5 revolution, displacement is 2 pi r into 3 whole half. So look at this. This is the 7 by 2 into 2 pi r. So 7 pi r is the distance travel and 2 r is the distance. Look at this. Option 2 is correct. Okay. Look at this question number 2. A man moves 4 meter along east direction, 3 meter along north direction, and after that he climbs up a pole to a height of 12 meter and the distance covered by him and his displacement respectively. Suppose, look at this, along east it is the I cap, along north it is the j cap, and in upward direction it is the k cap. So look at this here, S1 vector, this is the 4 I cap, S2 vector, this is the 3j cap, and S3 vector, this is the 12k cap. So distance traveled is the 4 plus 3 plus 12, that is 19 meter. And displacement S equals to, look at this, root under of, this is the 4 square plus 3 square plus 12 square. So look at this is the 25 plus 144. So look at this is the 169, that is the 30. Okay, so look at this, option 2 is correct. Look at this question number 3. A person moves on a semicircular track of radius 40 meter. Look at this. This is the semicircular track of radius 40 meter. If we start from one end, look at this end of the track and reaches the other end, find the magnitude of displacement of the person. Here displacement is the diameter, radius is the 40 meter, diameter is the 80 meter, and direction of displacement from initial point to final point. So A to B. Look at this, A to B, 80 meter is the option 4 correct. Look at this, question number 4. A man has to go 40 meter due north, 40 meter due east, and 20 meter due south to reach a cafe from his home. What is the displacement from the home to his cafe? Suppose along east direction the unit vector I cap, along north direction the unit vector j cap. Okay, so look at this, this is the S1 vector, this is the 50 north, so 50 j cap meter. Now S2 vector, look at this is the 40 east, so 40 I cap meter. And S3 vector, look at this, S3 vector, this is the 20 meter due south, so this is the minus 20 j cap. So S vector, this is the S1 vector, plus S2 vector plus S3 vector. So look at this. This is the 40 I cap plus 50 j cap minus 20 j cap. So look at this. This is the 40 I cap plus 30 j cap. So the magnitude of S vector is equal to, look at this. This is the, so magnitude of S vector, this is the 40 square plus 30 square. So look at this. This is 50. Okay. Now angle made with the east. Coefficient of I in the denominator 40 and coefficient of j in the numerator. So this is the 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means phi equals to 37 degree. So angle is the 37 degree north of east. Look at this, 37 degree north of east. Okay. 6. The numerical ratio of distance to displacement. Covered is always, this is always greater than equal to 1. Okay, option 4 correct. Question number 7. A hole has a dimension 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. Okay, a fly flying at one corner, at corner ends up to a diagonally opposite corner, the magnitude of its displacement. Okay, so length of the diagonal is the displacement. The length of the diagonal, this equal to root under of, this is the 10 square plus 10 square plus 10 square. So look at this, this is the 10 root 3. That is this answer. Look at this. Question number 8. An insect starts climbing a conical birthday hat of radius 5 centimeter at base. The start from a point A, okay, that is on the circumference, and reaches the point B, that is the top, taking a spiral path of the head. Find out its displacement if height is 12. Look at this, displacement is the length of the path along the surface. So L equals to here, this is the square of height plus square of radius. So look at this, this is the 12 square plus this is the 5 square. So look at this, this is the 13. So displacement is the 13 centimeter. Okay. Look at this. Question number 9. Three particles PQR are initially situated at point A on the circular path of radius 10 meter. All three particles move along the different path and route to reach the point B. Look at this. One start from A to B along the shortest path. Another Q from O to A to B, and P takes the longest path. Okay. The ratio of the distance traveled by the particle P and R. So look at the distance traveled SP by SR. Look at this. This is the 3 by 4 2 pi r, and this is the 1 by 4 2 pi r. So look at this. This is the 3 by 1. Option 2 correct. Okay. Look at this. Question number 10. The distance traveled by the tip of minute hand of length, this is the 10 centimeter in 100 seconds. For complete one rotation of minute hand takes 1 hour. So the number of rotation completes in 100 seconds. This is the 100 divided by 3600. This cancel out. Therefore, the distance traveled of its tip, this is the 2 pi r into 1 by 36. So look at this, this is the 2 pi, r is the 0.1 meter divided by 1 by 36. So look at this, this is the 2 pi by 360, okay, meter. So look at this, this is the pi by 180 meter. Okay, option 1 is correct. Look at this. Question number 11. A man walks 30 meter towards north, 20 meter towards east, and last 30 root 2 meter towards southeast. The displacement from the origin. Now look at this. Suppose along east, this is the I cap, and along north, this is the J cap. Okay, no problem. So look at this. Here, S1 vector. This equals to 30 meter towards north. So this is the 30 J cap. S2 vector, look at this. This is the 20 meter east. So 20 I cap. Now S3, look at this. S3 vector, this is equal to, look at this, 30 root 2 towards southeast. Look at this. This is the southeast direction. Okay, this is the 30 root. So component of it along east, this is the 30 root 2, this angle 45 degree. So this is the cos 45 degree, no problem. And along this direction, this is the, look at this, along this direction, this is the 30 root 2 sine 45 degree. So S3 vector, look at this, component of it is the 30 root 2 cos 45 degree. So look at this is the 30 root 2 into cos 45 into 1 by root. Okay, this is the item. Plus, look at this is the south. So look at this is the 30 root 2 into 1 by root 2. Look at this, along north direction, this is the j cap. So along south direction, this is the minus j cap. So look at this is the minus j cap. Okay, so look at this, S3 vector becomes, this is the 30 I cap minus 30 j cap. So displacement S vector, this is the S1 vector plus S2 vector plus S3 vector. So look at this S1 vector, this is the 30 j cap. So look at this 30 j cap. S2 vector 20 I cap. So this is the 20 I cap. Okay, plus look at this S3 vector, this is the 30 I cap minus 30 j cap. Look at this and this cancel out. So 50 I cap is the displacement. So displacement is the 50 meter towards east. Okay, understood. Now question number 12. A person walks 80 meter east. Look at this, along east direction, this is the I cap, and along north direction, the unit vector is j cap. So look at this is the S1 vector, this equals to 80 I cap, no problem. Then turns right through an angle 143 degree and walk further 50 meter and stop. Look at this 143 degree means along this direction, because this angle is the 143 degree. So this angle is the 180 minus 143. So this is the 37 degree. Now component of 50 along the south, this is the 50 sine 37 degree. And along west, this is the 50 cos 37 degree. So S2 vector, this equals to 50 cos 37. This is the 4 by 5 along west. So this is the minus I cap. And this is the 50 into 3 by 5 south, that is the minus j cap. So look at this is the minus 40 I cap and this is the minus 30 j cap. So S vector, this equals to S1 vector plus S2 vector. This equals to, this is the 80 I cap minus 40 I cap minus 30 j cap. So look at this is the 40 I cap minus 30 j cap. So look at this, S equals to root under of, this is the 40 square plus minus 30 square. So look at this is 50. So angle made by the displacement vector with the x-axis is 10 pi. This equals to, this is the minus 30 by 40. So this is the minus 3 by 4. So phi equal to, this is the minus 37 degree. So displacement is the 50 meter and it is the south of east. Option 1 is correct. Many thanks for watching this video. This video will be extremely helpful for class 11, NEET, main, advanced as well as wbjee. Please give a comment on this video because this comment will be extremely helpful for me to make the better video for you. Okay, thank you.